Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a cowl neck blouse. I'll be using this paper to explain to you, where I'll be giving you all of the necessary measurements you need when making one using the fabric. We have the bodies here. I have measured my shoulder slope, the armhole, and this is the waist and the bust area. So I'm just going to mark out my bust points. So let's say this is the bust point, then I will just connect this. Using this mark too, I will also assume this is my bust span, which is your nipple to nipple point divided by 2. So I have my bust span measurements here. From here, I'm going to measure 0.5 on both sides of this line as my dart. Then for my bust point, I'm going to mark out 2 inches here for my bust dart. For my shoulder width here, I'm going to connect a straight line downward. So before I move on, I will quickly make another copy of this maybe for the back pattern. Then at the neck here, I'm just going to measure 1 inch. The neck width, you can make use of 2.5 inches depending. You can relate your neck circumference, but what I use for making mine is 2.5 inches for the neck width. We have our back piece all drafted out. So next, I'm going to cut open all of this area. So you see what I'm doing? Then I'm going to cut this line off. After cutting that off, I'm going to measure this. So this line that I just drew, I'm going to cut it open. I won't cut to the end. After cutting this open, I'm going to get a new piece of paper and I'm going to place this over it so that I can spread it. Now this new paper that I have just introduced is on fold. So I'll be using the other parts for the facing. That is why I folded this top area. Also, when you place this on your fabric, that's your pattern, this side, which is the center part, will also be on fold. Please take note. So this is your center front. This area is slashed open, this area is also slashed and spread open. So this is what we want here. A moderate depth of cowl neck, again 12.5 to be okay, 12 inches to 12.5 inches. So this is what we have here. Then after this, you just pull out the first draft. Like I said, this is unfold, so you have your facing already. You don't have to introduce any other facing to the front part. Then if you want to attach the front part to the back part, it is very simple. You just make the shoulder to shoulder, and then the side to the side. By the time you're done, this will fold inward naturally. For the back piece, don't forget to remove the bust dart that you took at the front here. So if you're removing 2 inches here, you should minus 2 inches from the back length. So yeah, we should have something like this at the end of the day. So like this is half of your design. By the time you're done with yours, you have a full design. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up to this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post new videos like this.